So anyways, we do in a future release of, all right, so anyways, I'm going to show you the GD&T that we brought in. This is a kind of a new dialog that we're going to be using to create GD&T and 3DCS. It is pretty different than what we were used to. So now you can modify it or create it in 3DCS, or if you're bringing it in from the CAD feature or the CAD geometry, you can now push it back. I mean, this is now you can push it back and update the GD&T in CATIA. So all these features that you see here, if anything changed, whether it's like a size tolerance that changed from that offset range, should be 0.2, offset of 0.1. I can go ahead and change this to say 0.1, and then push to GD&T. It's going to say that it's updated that one perpendicular in size, and then it will be updated in here. So I'll see how I regenerated backwards. Or for better yet, let me go to this profile here. The profile is of 1, but really I want to make that a profile 0.2. It was too large for the analysis. So now I can just push it back. It's updated that profile, and it automatically updates it in the FT&A for CATIA.
So that pushes it all the way back into the CAD model itself.
Correct. And before there was a way of doing that. You were able to push it back, but it might not have updated. You would have to go into CATIA, hit the update model or update CATIA, but now it just pushes it back. It just modifies it without doing all those other steps. So otherwise, you can also say I don't even have FT&A or have the capability of using FT&A. You can define the tolerances or GD&T within 3DCS. So if you need to go through having a fixture that has any tolerances that you have, you can use this new functionality to define whether they're datum targets, datum points, whether you would want to add size to or position, any of these, and they would be defined as GD&T within 3DCS, and it's used within the analysis.